Okay, it's going. Go.
Okay, you got a new blender, right?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do with the old one? Can I have it?
For what?
Can I have it?
What?
Can I have it?
No.
Yeah, can I have that one?
Why?
You'll find out.
Can I have it?
Oh my god.
Nice, Dad. We just threw it down the stairs. So now it's so dead, Mom.
And tomorrow we're gonna pick it up. Come on.
That's what professional football players do. Yeah. Look at me. Look at me.
Eat my badge.
Oh, I'll eat
Eat my asshole.
Wow.
I'll go down. I'll take you down. I'll take you down.